This video is to show you how to replace the pump inside Pops Technologies 8599 enzyme pump and manual pump. First, you open the side door, remove the back plate, which will probably take longer than replacing the pump. Once you have the back door off, we simply disconnect the electrical leads, which is just a plug-and-play system, and then fish the liquid lines in and out from the pump, guiding through, pop that out, and the air vent. Once that's removed, just grab your new pump, put it back exactly in the same way, and make your electrical connections, which are simply just a plug-and-play quick connect. Make sure to always have the power disconnected before you swap the pump.